Before we start, search IQcodec on YouTube. Click on the like and subscribe button. Remember to activate the bell to stay tuned with our latest updates.
Welcome back on IQcodec to this new tutorial video. So we are very grateful for our 4 new subscribers today, which is actually Friday. So in this video of today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can send video longer than 10 minutes and greater than 16 megabytes on WhatsApp. So as you all know, the normal version of WhatsApp allows you to actually send videos that are less than 16 megabytes. So if for instance you try to send a video that is greater than 16 megabytes to a certain contact on your WhatsApp, see what you're going to get. WhatsApp is going to automatically split the video. So let us see what I'm talking about. So imagine this is a video that I wish to send. So you can see the video, they have cut it at 17 megabytes, and the video is actually, let me see, it's 23 minutes long. So this video is 23 minutes long and it's 80 megabytes. So for this, please, this is what we're actually going to be doing in this video. So if it's your first time on the channel, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned with our latest update. So here's my contact. I'm going to start about the process, but in a different manner. So you need to click on the attachment, and this time you're not going to choose the gallery but taking the document. So on the document, you need to browse the other document and locate your video on your file messenger. As you can see, here is a video. So you can see send clean your beef, yes, accept to send. And the video is actually 80 megabytes, as I said earlier, 80, and it's the size, so you can see 90 MB. So this is how you're going to actually doing to send videos that are greater than the 16 megabyte restriction of WhatsApp. So hope you guys are going to love this video. If this video was helpful for you, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned with our latest update. Thanks, see you next time on IQcodec. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.